So since I only have 6 outputs, I will be able to see only the 6 of them on my training set, but you can track the other 2 on the program. Let's now activate our Q01. Let's activate our Q01 here. Here let's press on the I01 button and let's see what happens. I pressed on it, and as you can see, my outputs are activated here. So as you can see, depending on the time value that they have, they are on and off. Some of them are slower, some of them are faster. So in this way you can see how they work. And we can track on the other ones here by using the program. Here, as you can see, this is how my system works. So as you can see, since they are 0.5 first, they are slower, and then the others, for instance, this 10 hertz, it works faster compared to other ones. So to sum up, this is how our timers work in our PLCs.